After Rishi Kapoor slammed Anurag Basu on Monday for Jagga Jasoos's debacle, Govinda speaks up and thanks Rishi Kapoor for showing concern over his role being chopped off from Ranbir Kapoor's Jagga Jasoos. Check it out. Rishi Kapoor blasted Anurag Basu on Monday and blamed him for the debacle of Jagga Jasoos. He went on to say that it is ridiculous that Ranbir hadn't seen his product a day ahead of the film's release. While lambasting Basu, Rishi Kapoor also mentioned about Govinda's cameo and said, Anurag even threw Govinda out of the film. If you don't want Govinda to work in your film, why did you ask him in the first place? इस सब में रणबीर का नाम तो खराब होगा और क्या मेरा खराब होगा? And on Tuesday morning, in an exclusive with the leading daily, Govinda thanked Rishi Kapoor for his concern. Thank you, Rishi sir. At last you showed concern. Good blood never speaks wrong. I didn't react much because I have huge respect for the Kapoor family. Also, I truly feel that it's the director's call to do what he wants to do with his film. But a little professionalism is expected. I had no clue what they were up to. They were busy with their own things and I wasn't even informed about it. This despite me doing the film without even charging for it. I was unwell and on drips, but I still traveled to South Africa for the shoot as I didn't want people to feel that I'm unprofessional or making excuses. After doing all that, what I got in return has made me realize that I need to be more frank from now on. I shouldn't be sensitive or emotional when it comes to work. I should make changes in myself as this is how the world functions. He further added, if I had said something, it would have been perceived as a complaint. They did what they thought was right and I didn't want to interfere. I'm not here to fight. If Anurag offers me a film again, I might still do it as we all are professionals. But this was petty and I no longer get affected by all this as I have seen this kind of behavior for a while now. I don't want to wallow in self-pity. But when you are going through a rough patch, you tend to get used to this. Talking about whether he will do cameo roles hereafter, he said, there might not be a second time as I might only do it for the Kapoors or Salman Khan's family. Not that I think the others are less important, it's just that these families are special for me and I hold them in high regard.